Hey guys, I'm here with the Samsung S95F OLED TV, and this is Samsung's flagship OLED, or should I say cutie OLED TV for 2025. Now this was one of our favorite TVs from last year, so let's talk about all the biggest upgrades that are coming later this year with the S95. We're looking here at the 83-inch S95F. If you remember from last year, the big story was about the glare-free display, a very obvious matte finish that helps reduce glare from ambient light sources. Well, for the S95F, it actually has an improved OLED glare-free technology with a lower reflection rate. Basically, what this means is that lamps, overhead lighting, light coming in from your windows should look even less noticeable than before. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I can't really see much of a difference, maybe if we had seen the 2 years side by side, but regardless, we're seeing Samsung lead the way in this matte TV trend, and consumers are definitely taking interest. Two other big upgrades are a 165Hz variable refresh rate and a claimed brighter display. Samsung is coming right out and saying that this is the world's brightest OLED TV. The S95D did beat the LG G4 last year, but LG is also saying that its G5 series is brighter than before, so we'll need to get both 2025 versions into our lab to put those claims to the test and see who really has the brightest OLED. Make sure you're subscribed so you'll be able to get notified when those tests happen. Back to the S95F, it's powered by the AI Gen 3 processor, and with that comes a slew of new AI features that we're seeing as a trend among TV brands for 2025. Known as Vision AI, it's a whole suite of functionality that includes things like click to search that can identify things on screen, and even Samsung Food that can provide recipes for whatever looks super delicious and you're watching. Samsung AI Home Security turns your TV into a smart security hub via SmartThings and connected to your security cameras. And finally, on the accessibility front, Live Translate can instantly translate closed captions on live broadcasts, while AI-based voice removal with audio subtitles can isolate voices and adjust reading speeds to help those users who are visually impaired. If you've made it to the end of this video, that tells me that you'd want to check out the rest of our videos from CES 2025, so make sure you're subscribed or check out all the videos that are in this playlist. Let me know what you think of the Samsung S95F OLED TV in the comments. Is this a TV that you're going to keep on your radar? Be sure to chime in below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.